In today's video, we will see how to record phone calls on Google Pixel 9a, step-by-step audio recording guide. Method 1. Manually call recording and calls notes. So open the phone app and make or answer a call. Then once the call is connected, tap call assist and select call recording or record. An automated announcement will inform everyone on the call that recording has started. Continue your conversation as normal while the call is being recorded. To stop recording at any time, to end the recording, or simply end the call. On supported Pixel 9 series device, you can also enable call notes, which create a transcript and AI generated summary after the call end. Method 2. Automate call recording for specific number. Open the phone app on your Google Pixel 9a. Tap the three dots menu in the top right corner and select setting. Tap call recording to open the recording setting. Under allow recording, select the selected number. Turn on always record selected number and tap add number or add contact. Then choose the contact or phone number you want to record automatically and tap allow record to save your selection. Future call with the selected contact or number will be recorded automatically and Google Play a notification informed all participants that the call is being recorded. Goodbye.